prepare the brisket for smoking for a family Christmas party. So, I'm going to let the doctor take over.
There's nothing greater than just injecting something. Anyway, so the brisket's actually made into two parts, a flat part and the point. Sometimes at the store they're trimmed and the point's off, and probably are not a big deal for most people. So basically what I'm doing first is injecting the flavoring in there. And so what I'm doing is using some old instruments. No one in the world is using liposuction infiltration devices to inject their beef brisket, guaranteed. This is the most expensive infiltration device known to mankind right here. So I go to raid my office for big syringes, and I did warn the videographer that it might be, so basically I get to just push all this flavoring in, and so you can see there's like multiple holes. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
that is neat.
That's really cool. This is like, in fact, I might get some sales out of this. This beef brisket, the true beef brisket boys will be calling me up for this. Because multiple holes, you can't beat that.
Really?
Yeah, it's easier. Ooh, look at that. Anyway, so we'll be doing this. I'll be adding a little, I'll be adding some a powdered my rub, the first rub. I'm copying somebody's other rub.
So there's multiple rubs.
Multiple rubs. So we'll start with injection, rubbing, and then we'll move on from there.
So now you know what we do on a Friday night.
This is fun.
There is a little wine and a little Bitsy. Hey, Bitsy. She runs around to say hello. All right.